Hey, hi. Today I'm going to show you why I chose Guide over Scribe. Both are perfect for documentation, for making documentation. So this video primarily for why I choose, or I'm just showing you the key feature of Guide over Scribe for video documentation. For mainly, I'm just focused on video documentation. Uh, and as you can see, both of them are really cool services and platforms where you can document your documentation or workflows. But for me, I wanted to create a documentation based on video. So when it comes to video documentation, Guide is the perfect choice. Why? I'm gonna show you why I chose Guide for video documentation. So this is just a walkthrough video of our software. Um, so as you can see, it's captured the whole process and created the process step by step, and you can edit those step, the process, the title of the process, and even the description. And the cool thing about Guide is it comes with a AI voiceover. So for example, I'm gonna go and edit this video right here. All right. So over here, let me see. Fit. Okay, perfect. So Guide made step-by-step scenes. So this would be the cover, and this is editable. If you wanted to edit, you can edit. You have edit functionality here, right? And um, if you wanted to add any sort of elements on the sidebar, you will be able to you can go to elements and you can add these, small graphic designs if you wanted to add and make it cool. And the main important stuff is like if you go here, so you can see that's the scene number one, that's the step one. And I'm gonna play this so you'll be able to see uh, how the voiceover works.
Follow the steps outlined below to successfully manage and update inventory details within the application. Click on the inventory icon on the sidebar. Then, click on Add Inventory Item. Please select the item category from the provided options. The categorization of the item is crucial to this process. Therefore, it is essential to choose the appropriate.
As you can see, it comes with a voiceover, and you can edit that the wordings of the voiceover. If you go here, and you will be able to edit uh, the voiceover. And if you wanted to, sometimes like it won't work. I don't know, like there is, some of the times like I get like, these errors. So you can just refresh it and you will be able to edit the voiceover part. Or if you wanted to record for that specific step, you can even record it. And you can change the voices. So if you go over here and it shows upgrade. Currently I'm using like the pro version of it. Um, so I'm not able to, I believe I'm not able to change to other voice. I'm not sure, but it's not allowing me to change the voice. Uh, basically there is an option. Let me try to refresh it for you. Sometimes there are bugs in Guide, to be honest. Right now you can see I am not able to edit. Let me go and log out and come back it again. So I just log out and log in again. It still have that issue where we can change those voices. Um, So the next thing I wanted to show you that like if you wanted to edit this part, you will be able to edit the steps. You can add captions if you want. You can add background voices. Like it comes with like background scores if you wanted to add that into your documentation, and it comes with a branding. So if you have a uh, starter plan or pro plan, I guess. So you can brand yourself, and there won't be any watermarks. And you can add logos here. So like just have to drag and drop, I guess. Let's see. Okay, so like sometimes it won't work. I don't know. Like sometimes there are like few bugs, but it just like have to like just clear out the cache and just log out and just come back again. It will work. I'm pretty sure. I'm 100% sure about that. And it comes with the transition. If you wanted to add transition to your scenes, you will be able to add that transitions. So that's pretty cool. And the main part is once you're done editing the your documentation, you can export to multiple formats actually. So once it's saved all the steps, you'll be able to share. I mean, you can export to a video format. I'm just waiting to, yeah, it's done. So let's say you can share. You can there's a thing called smart copy where it will give you an embedded HTML file. So you can, if you have a website or something like that, you can just copy paste the HTML embedded file, and it comes with the source code too. So with their CDN video thing, so whenever you paste it somewhere, it will show up. So you don't have to worry about uploading the videos in the cloud. So it comes with the media player and everything. And there are multiple options too. You can export to WordPress, Notion, Zendesk. It's come with all these cool feature out there. And I'm not sure with what is track, but this is where I am very interested in. So over in Guide, you will be able to export to MP4 format. That means you will be able to get a video format, and you can publish this on your YouTube channel or your social media or anywhere, like wherever you are interested in. So this is the main reason why I chose Guide over Scribe. Both are perfect for documentation, but when it comes to video, in Guide, you'll be have an ability to export to MP4 format, and even you can download as slide PDFs and PPT formats, and in document PDFs and all those kind of stuff. So basically, like you have the ability to export to multiple format. Where I am interested in the video, and I got the video format here. So that's the main reason why you should choose, I mean, not like you should consider Guide over Scribe. So I come to know that like in video documentation, Scribe doesn't have a video documentation feature, but in Guide there is like there is video documentation with AI, voiceover, and you can add music and effects like the transition effects, and step-by-step guides are with both of the services. And when it comes with mixed media output, it's just Guide is taking over a Scribe, because like in Scribe you don't have an ability to export it into video. unless you have, I believe you have to use the enterprise or the premium fee, pricing, I guess, I mean plan. And both of them are comes with desktop app and browser extensions, and multi-process documentation is it's both, it's provided by both the services, and custom branding, yes, with both of the services. So these are the few feature that I would, suggest for you guys. And and primarily if your documentation needs are video centric, or you want to create engaging narrated walkthrough with multimedia elements, Guide is the better choice for you. So that's pretty much, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. I will be happy to help you out. Thank you.